Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zips and welcome back to Monster Train 2. I'm going to save the high attempt at the hold on, or I'm just getting to it. I'm going to save the high attempt at overgrowth difficulty for next time because I don't have a ton of time to do this recording. So I am going to do a quick daily one, and also overgrowth sounds really daunting. Like really daunting. So instead we're going to do oh man, I'm really in the mood to do Wormkin today. I gotta be honest with you. I want to keep playing the new clans because they're cool. I think I'll do Railforged instead. Do I do Hef? I haven't really done many Hef runs. What's a clan that I don't have a clan? I know we gotta start getting these clan clears. We will do... Let's do... I'm feeling Exile Lazarus League because I already have like the one with... Wait, that was double checking. Yes, that is the win with Herzl. So I don't have a win with Hef. So let's do it. All right, I am down for a little bit. It's gonna be weird. It's gonna be weird playing the regular mode. I ain't gonna be used to it. All right, so we got Chosen of Savagery along. We're taking on Savagery today with Pyre Hunter Archean, or wait, no, that Rage Archean and Doombringer 6 and Hollow. We have Heart of the Pack with Spike Drivers, with Spike Driver, Spider, Pseudocytes, and Pincushion. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if I feel like playing Pincushion today. Hair of the Hybrid is pretty okay. When you forge an equipment, grant +2. Oh wait, but Hef's blueprint is like insanely OP. I'm playing. Look, Pincushion, I know we have a good setup for you. Weapon craft. Apply. Weapon craft. Add. Oh my god, it's wait, actually. Wait, it's like actually perfect for a pin. It's actually like the perfect setup for Pincushion. Wait. Metalworker is also really good. It's what we played last time we played Hef. Let's do Weaponsmith. Let's do this. This sounds... Creating a bunch of equipment sounds quite strong when we have the Pincushion here with the equipped effect. I mean, how can this not be like insanely OP? The answer, this will be insanely OP. Unfortunately, I wish I clicked on the other one. Hair the Hybrid would have been insane in this run. Salvage Mia. Crafted equipment. Look at that. I don't really care about potions here. I'm just gonna play the Spike Driver back here. I don't actually care about giving him stats. Blue potion? No. No, that's not a blue potion. Wait. Oh shit, my guy is dying. Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. I seem to have... Oh, wait! No, wait, what am I doing? Oh, no. Oh, no, I realize I'm playing the wrong clan combo. Wait. What have I done? Oh no, what have I done? Uh-oh. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? Why am I so stupid? Why am I actually the dumbest stupid dum-dum in the world? Oh no. Oh no. No, actually I think I need that card. Oh no. Oh no. That's not good. That is bad. That is bad. That is really bad. That is really, really fucking bad. Uh-oh. I may have made some severe mistakes throughout my entire life. Well then. Well. Is there a chance I'm still fine here? I do have, like, a good setup for, like... a not bad setup for Relentless. It's not the worst setup I've ever seen. Oh, I need to play with Forge here. Oh. With Forge, I might be okay, because I do still have Hef's blueprints. Right. Well, I could play this. Actually, hold on. I'm gonna just try this out. My fucking goat. My goat, the Spike Driver Spider. My goat. Alrighty. The round is still on. Lock in. Weldling. Weldling could actually be kind of decent because we're pretty good at buffing him. I'll take it. It's alive. I don't know about it's alive. I probably want more equipment in this run. I think I'll be fine taking calcified embers, and also they can actually combo with Forge. I think we'll be fine. I think I'm going to need a good carry unit here. Multi-strike, come on, hit me. Bells. Oh god, maybe I am playing Pincushion in this run. Eek. Eek. I do not think I give enough stats to this Pincushion. I guess I'll take a meat hook and be fucking sad about it. I'm gonna take this multi-strike here and toss it onto Pincushion and then be sad. And then just be so incredibly sad. Alrighty, lock in. Lock in. Lock the fuck in. I've made this run needlessly harder on myself. Like a real one. I mean, I could just find a way to get more equipments in this run. This could actually be pretty good. Yeah, no, duh, of course. That's kind of the idea here. This might not be, like, at least at the moment, that terrible. Man, I do not generate Forge very well. That's a damn shame. Always be clicking this Billy on cooldown. I should probably just play the Spike Drivers. Then add the Deke. I do have Salvage to use on this bad boy, so I could play Weldling. For a little bit of stats. I need to get this lady to die. I'm gonna drop the Rage now because I need a blue potion to kill you. If we are to stand a chance in Relentless. Yo, another equipment. Awesome. Awesome, man. Wait, no, I'm not okay, you got fine. I'm not using Hef's ability. I literally need to be using it on cooldown. Oh, I'm throwing. Well, okay, it's pre-established that I'm throwing. That has been known. Boilerplate, I mean, it's an equipment. I don't think it's a very good equipment, but it's an equipment. It's Alive is maybe okay. God, my deck is just so big and filled with trash, though. I might just need It's Alive, though. The one lifesteal is pretty good. I'm gonna head over here. Spike Factory. What is craft? What the fuck? I don't think this sounds very good to me. Maybe if I was doing more Forged, I'd consider this. I don't think Forge Steward is really gonna make me enough stuff. I could take Titanite here and it's okay, but I kind of feel like I need like more multi-strike or a quick. Like another multi-strike is just what I need. Well, on the bright side, Fecundity? Probably not. Thinking. It's probably putting Worthy Sacrifice onto the Sanguine Assistant doesn't sound too bad to me. Reanimate also sounds like it's pretty good. I don't know how impactful it is though. Just like damage shield 3. I'm gonna do Worthy Sacrifice so we can get the Sanguine Assistant dying quicker. And it's also like, I could maybe duplicate it. Actually, could I go for... Surely not, right? Hold on, let me check the numbers on you. 1-1-0-0. So that would be going here. I'm happy to go here. Here. I'm happy to go here. Here. I'm happy to go here. Okay, wait, actually we could go for... I could go for the other upgrades on that, which is kind of cool. Okay. Well, that'll be a thing that we'll be doing in this run. Man, this run would be so free if I just had the correct start. I realize I'm in a rush, so I'm making mistakes because like I have classes in like a few. I think I just need to be salvaging these things. I think that's like way better. Very well. Our stat line honestly isn't that bad at this very moment. And we actually get good value out of this Heart of the Pact. I am very happy to just kill cards in my hand. Should probably be trying to trigger Heart of the Pact though. Oh, well, I already did actually. Oh, equipment. Oh, equipment. It's real. Wait, he's kind of scaling. He's kind of scaling the pincushion. Stand back. The pincushion is getting a little bit scaled. It's real. I would be very happy to get this Wetling down. 12 armor at the start of the turn. That sounds okay. Very well. I need to get these calcified embers out of the deck, man. Also, big scary Archie in here with hidden for a lot of damage. You like the why am I building this? Why have I not used this up yet? What am I doing? What are we doing with our lives? Anybody know? Because I'm not pressing. Okay. Press this fucking ability and don't be stupid. I need to press It's Alive here. But no, I'm greedy. I am a greedy son of a bitch. Alright, how we looking? We are good. I was allowed to be a greedy son of a bitch. And stats are maintaining. Hitting 2 multi-strike in this run was very fortunate. Double Edge Bearer, it's an equipment. It's a living. Dodger's line could also potentially not be bad. I'll take Double Edge Bearer. Salvage Machine is just usually really good. I don't know if I want to take another Calcified Ember for it, though. And I kind of already have a... I think I want to take card... I think with all this forging we got going on, I think we want to take card draw. Probably going to be a card draw energy you're going to see in this run. Alright, take me here. Bloodthirsty Blade, it's an equipment. I wonder if I actually have enough equipments in this run. I would kind of like a -1 here. I'll put like a -2 consume on a pseudoscience, because like why not? Okay. Keep on keeping on. What am I gonna do against Savagery? You know, that's a, we'll get to we'll get there when we get there. Well, we'll get there once we get there. Let's take this weapon crafts to a plus 20 attack and plus 10 armor is kind of nice. Alrighty. Let's keep it going. Keep it going, keep it going. I could probably take Thornguard here. I don't think this is that bad. Yeah, no, for this specific combat, I don't think this is too bad. There's the Double Edge Bearer. I kind of wish I got him earlier, but it's fine. And just always be forging secret ingredients to get them out of your deck. See? Okay, I will not lie to you. All of that, I just play this and not worry about it. Get you out of the deck. Get you out of the deck. We be forging. With all this forging, I should probably try to find a good, like a good card like a good spammable card for this deck. God, I would love to, I could maybe kill the Weldling here. It's kind of greedy. I would love to get rid of the Calcified Ember. I'll do it. That's a lot of corruption on me, isn't it? Boy, it is. Am I getting multiple copies of this? We're getting a duplicate here. That's a fact. Oh my god, my entire deck is just salvage. Hold on. In that case, let me do this. And we're gonna give you all that nice armor. The stats on this boy looks pretty nice. The stats on this pincushion don't look too bad. He actually is looking pretty damn nice with it. Full throttle. This could potentially be quite nice. I don't think it's pyre plating. I'll try full throttle in this run. It is a spammable card. Replicator Ray? Wait. I think it's actually Replicator Ray. I think that's the idea. Alright. Probably the best user of Replicator Ray being a pincushion. It loves Replicator Ray. I'm getting rid of the Spike Driver Spiders. So, two choices. You could either dupe the Replicator Ray, which I don't hate the idea of that, or sorry, you dupe the Sanguine Assistant to get a bunch of energy. I think I like duplicating the Sanguine Assistant. I don't actually think I need to pick up more equipments here. I feel nice about this. I will remove another card. Okay. I can't. Unfortunately, I'm playing Heart of the Pack, so trying to play up on a higher floor against Savagery really sucks. Maybe I do take this Inferno room. I have the energy for it. I might need this might need to be my Savagery answer. Or against the multi-strike or the sweep units. Very well. Very well. I accept that. My hands don't look that good when I don't draw Forge. I am noticing. I'm gonna be real. Wish I drew all this Forge last turn. Very much wishing that was the case. But I can get a second. I can get a second one of you, and I think that is good. Okay, yeah, that definitely seems quite strong. The double-edged bear cooking in the Inferno. I could have not taken 1 damage here. Boom. Get the big energy gain. Boom. I probably could have done that order better, so I end off the multi-strike equipment, but I'm going to be real with you, I don't think it matters that much. Stop worrying about it. I don't need full throttle for this fight. Well, I'll never be able to play Weldling again, unfortunately. So Weldling is really just a Forge target that I am forgetting to click Weapon Craft with. -3/3, man. Man, -3/3, man. It's unreal. Alrighty. Oh no, this run is so tough because I have just insane amounts of stats with these pincushions. Wait, what if I'm actually supposed to take Pyre Plating here? If I'm taking damage on Savagery, what if this actually is the play? I have a lot of energy generation. Hit me up, actually. In this situation, honestly, it ain't bad. I would love a permafrost here, though. Is this consume? It is consume. I don't think Yorick works though. Gross Michael doesn't work the way I would want it to work. Wait, don't I just get infinity money with Yorick? Hold on. Because I'm consuming cards. Don't I just get infinity money? Hold on a moment. Hey, hang on. Hang on a second here. Go cost down on full throttle. I need to do remove consume permanently on Rep E-Ray. You double stack full throttle, you can. I think that sounds okay. Alright. I'm not feeling too bad about this nap. Or I'm feeling pretty damn good about things. I thought playing Pincushion without your Twisted Assistance would be a death sentence, but this is not too bad. We're managing surprisingly well. I know I just upgraded this full throttle, but what if I made the power move and just immediately destroyed it? Nah. I will play it here, though. I will play it on that turn. I must eat cards. I really wish I got the... Really wish I did get the cost on this thing. I mean, the thing is really only a savagery answer. Let's be real with ourselves. I think I will Forge here, because I'm about to replicate Array. Because we about to replicate this Ray. All up in this. Yum. Alright, this feels good. I feel correct. I'm giving the buffs to the correct. Oh wait, I'm actually feeling so correct here. Good God, I'm destroying this fight, huh? Wait, what? Wait, what? I thought was that weird. Were we ever struggling at any point in this run? I have to be honest with ourselves. Were we ever struggling at any point? I don't really think we were. If I drop full throttle here, we win. Oh wait, no, we do just win, huh? I don't even need full throttle. Wow. Multi-Strike 3 is a hell of a drug, man. Boundary line? Yeah, sure. I'll take that energy now. Alright, give me some magic upgrades. And also, I do need to take that Pyre HP. Do not forget. Get rid of the secret ingredients. They do nothing. Did I miss this? Am I stupid? Am I stupid? It's 0-1. I think I might be stupid. I might be a fucking idiot. Starting to notice. If I put remove consume on this pyre plating. What if? What if? I really need to speed permafrost on it. I'll do a... Screw it, hit me up. Hit me up, man. I think I will actually put just -2 on it then. I'm gonna save my money for the Merchant of Trinkets. Alright, let's go. Let's do this. I didn't actually check in that last. Oh no. Oh no. Lock in. Lock in. Let's see if our pyre plating plan can pay off. See if our pyre plating plan can partially pay off in. I don't know how to keep that going. Holding. No forge in this hand sucks. I mean, I just have to play this for 12 armor. That's just the damn truth. Drawing that at the bottom of the deck isn't fun. Man, our draw order here kinda stinks. Draw order here kinda sucks. I am going to be honest with you. It kinda sucks. Repable Ray me. I probably should have kept Forge. Consume that thing. We have not taken damage yet. Oh my, wait, it's actually a big turn. It's actually like such a huge turn. Holding. So just to guarantee it, you take no damage in this fight. So I really don't need to play anything else here. The Forge, Pyre Plate, get 11 energy, drop 26 armor onto my Heart of the Pact. Now these dumb, stupid idiots will never be able to reach, right? They'll never be able to reach my Pyre. They'll never be able to reach my Pyre. So you sense that, like, the armor gain doesn't stop here. In fact, I just like play armor on it every single turn now that I've consumed every single card in this deck. So yeah, these guys just cannot hurt my Pyre. This Pyre plating card is kind of cool, actually. I thought this thing was going to be trash, but yeah, never underestimate boosting your own Pyre. Like, think about how much HP this... Oh my god, wait, I just realized oh yeah, right, I'm playing Rax. I'm playing Rax on a higher floor, so he's actually killing my guy. Oh my. It's not supposed to happen. Well, I think that is a phenomenal sign that we are going to be just okay. Also, I once again did not... I'm pretty sure I did get money from Yorick there, because... Did I get Yorick? I don't know, actually. I feel like I did. Let me take the bit of Pyre HP. When you play a room card, apply 1 space to that floor. Interesting. Deepwood Oil is not that bad in this build. Oh, I don't have money for Lightstone Casing. Bummer. I can put a cost down on Full Throttle. Maybe I should have given that to something else, though. You know what? With it costing 1 now... Nah, I'm gonna take another Sanguine Assistant. Another sacrificing Sanguine Assistant. Sarcastic sacrificing Sanguine Assistant. Nah, it didn't work. It didn't work the way I wanted it to. Oh, thank God I don't have to worry about the sweep enemies in this fight. Otherwise, this would just be... it'd just be kind of annoying, you know? We'd probably be fine, but, like, be kind of annoying, because then my Hef would just be cooked. My Hef would absolutely just be insanely cooked. Insanely chopped. As the kids would say it. I'd like to consume some cards here. Grr. Play this. Where did this out? Keep that consuming coming. I am taking a bit of pyre damage. I must play the Replicator Ray here. I'm gonna put Sanguine Assistant up on this floor instead and get Sanguine Assistant ready for the pyre plating that's about to appear in my hand. Because then we get a massive turn like this. I am going to keep full throttle though. Nice little 20 armor for you. Nice little 20 armor to ya, damn Paya for you. I do want to keep this full throttle in my deck because it does genuinely make our... Wait, hold on, wait. I think I just get lethal here. I'm pretty sure with full throttle... Replicator Ray here, I get lethal. Why did you survive? Oh, right, Titan skin. Huh, weird. How strange. Well, Hef is dying. But I don't think I can't help to feel that I don't actually care. GG's. GG's, everyone. Game is not even hard. Who needs goddamn Twisted Assistance? Not me, that's for sure. I never needed a Twisted Assistant in my life. And I guess having a leader that just gives you a constant supply of what do you call it? Giving you a constant supply of equipment like every other turn. I guess that's pretty good. I suppose that's good. I'm gonna keep these Sanguine Assistants on this top floor to maybe get them ready for the next turn. Oh wait, I need to kill one of you. Otherwise, I will not have enough energy to do what I want here. That's plus 30 attack, that. Jesus Christ. That's plus 30 attack? Wait, this headline is fucking broken. What the hell? What the? This headline is just easy mode. This is like... This is literally just the Baron Creel line, but better. What the hell? Game is not balanced. And it costs 0? Jesus, man. What the hell? What the heck in hell? That shit is not okay. That shit is not fine. This pyre plating was such a cool little tech for this run. I think we get a good turn with it. You get an actually good turn for pyre plating. Where I have energy in the hand. I'm not gonna worry about playing the equipments. I will be honest with you. Unless they're dead. It also just does give my pyre more HP, so I get to win this fight quicker. Is it really? Am I really not killing you this turn? That's a damn shame, because I'm not drawing my full throttles. They kind of need for lethal here. I'll pick up the Replicator Ray. I think there was something else in this run that I was considering picking over Replicator Ray. At least I think there was. I feel like I remember seeing something like, do I take this card that's like worse than getting a second pincushion on the floor? I think so. I think that would be a good idea. Oh shit, one of my pin cushions died. Oh. Oh. Whoa. That's not supposed to happen. GG's. GG's, everyone. Good run. Pyre plating to save some HP. If only we gotten better draws with the pyre plating, I probably could have saved a bunch of HP on this fight. Although I've already, I saved that for a high score. For like high score purposes. I already had a run with this clan where I beat my where I got like a insane high score. That did already happen. Because, like, you go in here and it was, like, almost a 7,000 high score. I still feel good about this. I still feel good about just doing this on a whim. Where was it? No, wait, it was, like, leaderboards. Stats leaderboards. Yeah, here. Cranberry is a 83 win streak in this game. God, I gotta do better. Jesus. I still beat him in score though, because I'm a goat. Because I'm just better, significantly. All right, what was I gonna do in this? What was I gonna do? Wrap up the video? Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Anyway, that's good for this episode of Monster Train 2. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and/or subscribe. And all of you out there, have a nice day.